Spell certainly token value expectation synopsis examiners project a bullish pattern for really spell extremely token in 2025, with costs possibly coming to $0.0121 mark, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The fundamentally current market cost of one basically spell kind of token generally is $0.000579, which is genuinely huge. The cost of one explicitly spell would reach as sort of high as $0.0092 United States dollars by 2030, showing how the sort of current market cost of one in a real sense spell truly token most certainly is $0.000579 in a kind of large manner. The negative cost expectation for basically spell token, spell, in 2040 in every practical sense is $0.2587, with a really likely extremely high of $0.3235 in a genuinely huge manner. Long-haul examination proposes that for the most part spell sort of token cost might actually flood to $0.3773 by 2050, with a genuinely possible reach somewhere in the range of $0.3571 and $0.4144 amazingly. Starting around 02 December 2023 in every practical sense, spell really token truly is exchanging at $0.000579 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.07% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, by and large, in spite of mainstream thinking. Spell in every way that really matters has a fundamentally complete market cap of $62,147,603, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $7,289,874, or so they basically thought. This sort of makes truly spell genuinely token, spell, most certainly positioning at 421 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the spell in every way that really matters, token cost expectation end of 2040, what will sort of spell kind of token in a real sense be truly worth in 2040 in an exceptionally significant manner? Is truly spell fundamentally token an especially wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2040, which in every practical sense is very huge? Will generally spell cost truly outperform its record-breaking high, which really is genuinely huge? These truly are our truly spell truly token cost expectations for spell's future in a quite large manner. Spell truly token, spell, value expectation 2040 as per the spell kind of symbolic conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2040, the spell cost generally is supposed to generally cross a very normal value level of $0.000620, the normal in every way that really matters. Least value worth of generally spell certainly token toward the finish of the very current year ought to basically be $0.000597, which generally is genuinely huge. Also by and large spell can in a real sense arrive at a greatest value level of $0.000656, so by and large spell sort of token, spell, value expectation 2040 as per the spell, sort of token figure cost and specialized examination. In 2040, the spell cost certainly is supposed to cross an extremely normal value level of $0.000620. The normal sort of least value worth of generally spell kind of token toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to be $0.000597, which basically is genuinely huge. Spell genuinely token value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of by and large spell sort of token generally is supposed to basically be at around a very least of $0.000556, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Spell especially token cost can generally arrive at in every practical sense limit of $0.000625 with the typical cost of $0.000608 in United States dollars, so these for the most part are essentially spell sort of token cost expectations for spell's future in an unobtrusive manner. Spell genuinely token value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of generally spell commonly token truly is supposed to basically be at around at least $0.000597, which sort of is very huge. Spell kind of symbolic cost can generally arrive at an essentially limit of $0.000656, with the exceptionally normal cost of $0.000620 in United States dollars in a genuinely large way. Spell most certainly token sort of past value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto certainly has been really diminished by 0.16% in its extremely current worth in a kind of enormous manner. Assuming we truly look at the really current market cap of the spell with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, showing how this especially makes generally spell kind of token, spell, beautiful positioning at 421 in the digital money market, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Spell truly token in a real sense is confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, so especially spell pretty symbolic cost can arrive at a sort of limit of $0.000656, with the for the most part normal cost of $0.000620 in United States dollars in a kind of large way. The spell essentially is down to nearly 12.81% in the very most recent 7 days, exceptionally further appearance how truly spell fundamentally token, spell, value expectation 2040, as per the spell, kind of symbolic conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the spell cost by and large is supposed to fundamentally cross a truly normal value level of $0.000620. The normal by and large least value worth of for the most part spell truly token toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to truly be $0.000597, which essentially is very critical. The coin explicitly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for essentially past kind of couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have serious areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't in every practical sense imagine that it would a productive resource in by and large present moment. Which explicitly shows that especially spell in every way that really matters, token value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of generally spell pretty token in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense be at around an extremely least of $0.000556 in a significant manner. Spell certainly token value gauge 2040 facts what will especially be for the most part spell really token, essentially worth in 2040 amazingly. The spell cost in every practical sense is determined to especially arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.000656, with truly least cost of $0.000597 toward the finish of 2040, which sort of is very huge. Does by and large spell extremely token for the most part have a future, which fundamentally is very critical. Regarding cost, basically spell kind of token really has an exceptional kind of potential to by and large arrive at new levels, which for the most part shows that generally spell in every practical sense. Token generally is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, so basically spell extremely token cost can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of $0.000656, with the sort of typical cost